Hey everyone, Nadine here, and I was asked to be a guest designer for Hedgehog Hollow, and they sent me their May card kit, which is what I'm going to be using today to make a quick card. So just to give you a quick little show of what came in this kit was, first I got this cute postcard, which was nice, and then this is one of the stamp sets that I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using these 3 stamps on this set, and then here is another set which I'm going to be using the sentiment stamp right here, and I'll probably be making another card on another video using the stamp set. Then there's some chipboard pieces. There's a pretty stencil. It is looks like roses, flowers, and another stamp set. This looks like frames. There's that frame right there. And then a bunch of paper. So there's envelopes and some smaller colored paper and then big card-based papers. So just to show you that quickly, but let me get started on my card here. Okay, so using my MISTI and using the biggest flower stamp, it came in that set. And just on a card front, I'm going to be using some Memento in Pistachio. And I'm going to stamp this on to the front of my card. So now just using some Memento markers. This one is Angel Pink, and then this one is New Sprout. I'm just going to quickly color in all of the flowers with the pink and the leaves with the green color. No special coloring or anything, just going to color them in. Okay, I have them all colored in now. So now I'm just going to use my trimmer. This makes it, so I'm just going to go down just to about to almost where the flower is at. And then go up on the other side to the same thing, just before the flower. And now taking a pair of scissors, I'm going to fussy cut around one side of the flowers. There we go. I have it all fussy cut out, which is one of my least favorite things to do. Fussy cutting I just do not like doing. But anyhow, I did it. And now I am using some cardstock that I have that seem to really match the Pistachio Memento ink, I thought. And I think it is basil. I'm not really sure. I've had this for so long. So one side is textured and the other side is smooth. I want to do this on the smooth side of the paper, of the cardstock. Okay, so now using the other 2 stamps, I'm going to stamp them around randomly on this side of the card. And for this, I'm going to use some StazOn Pigment ink in Snowflake. The new StazOn ink, it's very opaque, unlike the original StazOn, which is more of a, it's not opaque, it's more sheer kind of, or see-through. So this, the white, is amazing on solid colors. You know, so you can see how that white looks on there. And I'm just going to keep going around. Now that I got the white stamped all on there, I'm going to take a sentiment stamp. Let's see. I'm going to put this on there to get an idea of where I'm going to have it at. And I think I'm going to stamp that right about there, and I'm going to use VersaFine Clair in Nocturne. On the back of my, oops, that's falling over. On the back of this strip, I am going to put some 3D foam tape. So now that I got all the foam adhesive on the back, I'm just going to place it just slightly away from the edge of the fold of the card. And now I'm going to use a Stella brush. This is the Clair. And just on the pink flowers, I'm going to go over and color. This just gives it a little bit of a sparkle on the flowers. And then once I'm done with this, I'm just going to add a few little pink pearls. And then my card will be completed. There we go, my card is completed, and it was super easy to make. You can see the shimmer on there from the Stella marker or brush. And that's all there is to it. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so, and hit the like button too if you like what you saw. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye-bye.